Hello. My name is Tavian Moore, and I chose the constellation of Taurus. Taurus, known as Taurus the Bull, can be located at the lower left of the constellation of Auriga, and there Taurus will lie directly next to it. The brightest stars of Taurus include Elneth, which is in the spectral class of B73. It has an apparent magnitude of 1.65. It is a giant star and 134 light years away from Earth, roughly. Another bright star of Taurus is Tiguan, which has an apparent magnitude of 3.0. It is a blue giant star that is 440 light years away from Earth and is a part of the B43P spectral class. We have Aldebaran, which has an apparent magnitude of 0.87. It is considered an orange-red giant star. It is a part of the K53 spectral class and is 65.3 light years away from the Earth. Lastly, we have Alcyon, which is a blue giant star, part of the B73 spectral class. It is 443 light years away from Earth and has an apparent magnitude of 2.87. Now we have our deep sky objects of Taurus, which I found pretty interesting to learn about. First, we have the Hyades. The Hyades are located in what is called the head of Taurus, the head of the bull. It is about 153 light years away from the sun and is one of the nearest open clusters. Next, we have the Pleiades, which is located in the body of Taurus. It is also known as the Seven Sisters and is about 444 light years away from the Earth. We also have the Crab Nebula. It is a supernova remnant and has a span of 11 light years across and is growing at a rate of about 1 billion kilometers per day. Lastly, we have the Hines Variable Nebula. It is 580 light years away from the Earth and is located near the Hyades and Aldebaran. On to my favorite part of the project of learning about the mythology of Taurus. Taurus the Bull, as is known, comes from the story of Europa. She was the daughter of King Agnar of Phoenicia and Telephassa. Europa became the object of Zeus's affection. Zeus, another name for Taurus. He appeared to her as a beautiful white bull at the Phoenician waterside. The princess was awestruck by the beauty of the bull and walked over to pet it. She then climbed upon his back, at which Zeus jumped into the water and carried her across the sea to Crete. He took the form of an eagle there and ravished her. She eventually bore him 3 sons. Zeus placed the image of the bull in the heavens. A group of stars called the Hyades make up the Taurus' head, as I said earlier, and another group of stars called the Pleiades make up part of the bull as well. That concludes my presentation on the constellation of Taurus. Hope it was informative and pretty interesting to you. Thank you.